This video will show you how to replace the thermostat. Some thermostats come out and go in easily, and others require more force than you think possible. The thermostat is located behind the coolant pump, red arrow, and the pump needs to be removed to access it. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Once you have removed the coolant pump, you can access the thermostat, blue arrow. If you are reinstalling the pump, make sure to check the condition of the pump and replace the gasket, red arrow, at the very least. There is an electrical connection for the thermostat on the top of it between the two coolant pipes, indicated by the red arrow. Release the tab and separate the connection. Depending on the size of your hands, you may need to use needle nose pliers. Next, place a pry bar in between the space on the mount and the thermostat and gently start prying the thermostat housing forward, red arrow. Do not use the electrical connection housing to pry against. It will simply break off and make things much more difficult. With the thermostat out, you can see the lip of the housing that you want to use to move the thermostat out from its mount. This will not get it all the way out. Each tech has developed their own tool for removing the thermostat the rest of the way. I use a large pick and insert it into the throat of the thermostat and pull it out. Use care when it releases that you don't smash it into the radiator fans or radiator. This image shows where I insert the pick to pull from. There are two beefy O-rings that will fight you releasing and installing. With the thermostat removed, make sure to clean the mounting area, especially where the O-rings are going to make contact, red arrow. Make sure to coat both O-rings well with Porsche synthetic coolant lubricant before installing, red arrows. Installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure that the electrical connection and brass piece on the thermostat are facing straight up. Our thermostat went in easily until it reached the compressing of the O-ring stage. I had to use a very large flat pry bar to gently push, but firmly push, the thermostat back into the mount. Push evenly, working your way around the edges of the thermostat, but not so far out that you can crack or chip it. Do not try and hit the thermostat, even though you may want to at some point. Just stick with even pressure on the housing and it will go in. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.